Okay, this problem is asking us to convert a certain quantity. Density of water tells us is 62.4 pounds per feet cubed, and we want the units to change to kilograms per cubic meter. So from kind of English units to metric units, select three rates or quantities that go into the boxes that would convert 62.4 pounds per foot cubed into kilograms per cubic meter. Select one choice per column, up and down. I'm going to scratch this out here. I'm sorry, this is kind of a typo. This was an electronic problem, and I translated it onto paper, but unfortunately I didn't do the greatest job. So bear with me here. We haven't done a whole lot of work with unit conversions in our class. My hope is that you've seen that before in another math class, or certainly in your science class. Unit conversions are happening all the time. And basically the way it works is you take some quantity and you multiply it by different forms of 1. So let me show you what I mean. So if I was going to take this 62.4 pounds per foot cubed and I wanted to convert it into kilograms per meter cubed, I'm going to have to cancel the units I don't want to create the units I want. So let me see, let me find a piece of paper here to write over this. Okay, so I'm going to take my 62.4 pounds per foot cubed, and if I want to change the pounds into kilograms, I need to find how many pounds per kilogram. And fortunately I have some to choose from. It looks like this here tells me that 1 kilogram is equivalent to 2.205 pounds. You'll notice that I have the same equivalence here in this column, but it's flipped from what I want. And here's why I want it the way I want it. Here's 1 kilogram for 2.205 pounds. When I multiply this through, these pounds will cancel these pounds, and they're going to leave me kilograms on the top, which is the type of unit I want. Okay, so if I do this, I'm going to turn it into kilograms. Now I need to turn feet cubed into meters cubed. So I also want to multiply by something that's going to have feet cubed on the top and meters cubed on the bottom. So I need to know how many feet per meter. It looks like I'm seeing, like this one here, 3.28 feet, 3.28 feet per meter, 3.28 feet per meter. So, and again, I want the feet to be on top so that they cancel these feet. And so 3.28 feet per 1 meter. And I'm just going to cube the whole thing. So when you do this multiplication, you're going to get rid of the pounds. They'll cancel here. And you're going to get rid of the feet. They'll cancel here, feet cubed. The reason that you can do this, multiply by these things, is that really this is just 1. Because 1 kilogram is equal to 2.205 pounds. So when you divide 1 kilogram by 2.05 pounds, since they're equal, you get the same thing. You get 1. 3.28 feet is equal to 1 meter. So when you divide it, you just get 1. So you can multiply anything by 1 and it doesn't change it. Well, all we're doing is we're changing the units. So when these cancel, it leaves us with kilograms per meter cubed. And we don't actually have to do the calculations here. They're just asking us which quantities down here we would use. So Again, this was an electronic problem, and I think the deal was that you were going to drag and drop any of these into these three spots. Okay, so these are the ones that work out. To do it, you have to use your original, and then you have to, this is going to convert into kilograms, and this one is going to convert from feet cubed to meters cubed.